Traders, have you ever wanted to not stay in front of the computer all the time and actually wish that you could make money using algorithms? If that's you, then you're absolutely in the right place. Welcome to the Independent Quant podcast, episode 1. In this podcast episode, we're going to delve into what you can expect from this podcast, who this podcast is for, and why quant trading isn't just the future, but rather it's the present, and how it's not just limited to those in high finance, but your small independent traders can do this as well. So now I'm Luis. I'm the host and founder of the Independent Quant. First thing is, what can you expect from this podcast? So the Independent Quant, one is a documentation of my trading journey in building an algorithmic trade desk. I've been trading for 9 years. About 6 of those years have been me trading live in the markets. I've gone from being a systematic trader and coding my own algorithms in 2019 to eventually now coding my own strategies and with the desire to build my own algorithmic trade desk. So that's one, you get to see an experienced trader starting from the ground floor, starting to build up an entire independent algorithmic trade desk. With that, you'll have that just front seat view of that. But along the way, I'll be sharing everything I've learned via educational breakdowns of what it takes to build a trade desk like this. Like I said, I've been trading algorithmically for some time, but this is my first full-blown effort to build an entire trade desk, marrying my business to a primarily algorithmic method of trading. But we'll have educational breakdowns of the key quant trading concepts, real-world case studies out there, and we'll do deep dives into systems development, backtesting, risk management, and automation. Second, so who's this for? So this is aimed really at a big swath of traders. You can be a brand new trader. I'll be talking a lot of topics that are important for those that are just beginning trading, but also those seasoned traders that have probably been trading algorithmically or discretionary and want to move to a more systematic or algorithmic way to trading. So both are welcome here. The whole spectrum of traders. Those of you that may have been trading algorithmic for some time and want to try new ways, we'll be delving, how to backtest and validate a strategy, how to automate your strategies, and really how do you build a trading business using quantitative and algorithmic strategy. So if those fit the bill of who you are, then you're in the right place. And last, we want to cover on this podcast is why quantitative trading is such an important aspect of trading today. A lot of people think that quantitative trading or trading with an algorithm is something for the large hedge funds to do. That's very far from the case. You can be a smaller trader. You're able to execute trades that those big guys just can't. The cloud has provided us with a lot more computational resources that weren't available at any other time. So smaller traders can participate in this algorithmic trading space. So quantitative trading is not the future. It is what's happening now. And if you're not participating, then you may be left behind. I look forward to have you join the journey. If you haven't subscribed to this podcast, do so wherever it is you're listening to it now. And I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.